dumbbell row to a side plank position. So you're gonna start with a dumbbell in one hand in your full plank position here. You're gonna inhale here, exhale to row, rotate and press that arm straight up towards the ceiling. Then you're gonna bend the elbow, rotate back down to where you started. Again, inhale here, exhale, rotate, press, really push up out of that grounded hand, and then pull, rotate, back down with control. Alternating Arnold press. So we're gonna start with both weights straight up in front. We're gonna inhale here, exhale, spiral press up. Inhale to lower it back down. Exhale, slowly lower it back down. Continue to repeat your press up on that same side in order to build endurance. If that's too challenging right now, feel free to alternate opposite sides to give you a brief break in between. Being thoughtful that as you press up overhead again, that we're not letting that rib cage jut forward. We're keeping it stacked right over our heels and our head stacked right over our pelvis in order to keep our core connected throughout the entire movement. Single arm row in a staggered stance position. So I'm gonna again turn profile so you can see me a little bit better here. One foot in front, the other leg behind. You want the weight in the opposite arm of the leg that's in front. I want you to hinge your torso forward. The back heel is gonna come up, and I want you to ground into that front heel. From here, you're gonna lower that weight so it's straight down to the floor. Exhale to pull up. Inhale to slowly lower. So as you pull, think about that shoulder blade driving down the back. Inhale to slowly lower, and I'm keeping my gaze right in front of my foot. So again, I'm not arching and looking straight up, but keeping that nice long neutral line from my head to my pelvis throughout. Superman W's. So you're gonna start lying on your stomach. You're gonna take your arms into a W shape, resting that forehead on the mat. Hands are at about shoulder height. You're gonna inhale here, exhale to lift the limbs a few inches off of the floor, and then reach the arms up overhead. I want you to feel that connection all the way from your glutes, all the way to your shoulders, reaching out nice and long, still thinking about that connection of your rib cage to your pelvis through the front line of the body, so your abdominals are helping you. And then exhale to pull your arms back into your W, reach forward again, and then lower down. So again, we inhale to prepare, exhale, pull into that W, exhale to reach, lower back down with control. As you gain more endurance, I want you to stay lifted and pull and extend, holding here throughout. Think about that pubic bone anchoring into the mat to help you stay connected from the front of your rib cage to your pelvis, and then lower down to finish your set. Reverse lunge fly. I'm gonna have my body kind of on an angle so you can see what my arms are doing in addition to my lower body at the same time. So I'm starting with both of my feet together. As I step back, both of my arms are going out into a T position. So we're gonna start here at the top, inhaling first, exhale to come down. As I drive back up, think about that front heel. You're pressing through that front heel to drive back up tall to standing to use that front leg glute. You're gonna exhale to step back. Inhale there, exhale to drive up back tall to standing.